Okay, gorgeous gems, like I told y'all, I'm jumping right into the other video. Okay, so this unboxing and this thing that I ordered from who knows when is supposed to be like a you know, for the crack mirrors that you're supposed to put it inside, you know, like inside the cracks, and it's supposed to make it look like it was not cracked. So I should have been used this, because I mean, the order came in like right away and I never opened it, never used it. So you see the windshield crack, that's what it is right there. It's a little, very little tube. Oh, let me show y'all this. Okay, if I could find a way to open it. Okay, there it go. Yeah, so I suppose the bin got this and tried it and see if I need to order it, if it really works. So hopefully when I remember to do it, I will show y'all and see if it really works. It says windshield repair, but the thing about it, I guess you could use it on any you know, mirrors that's cracked. So hopefully it works. So they gave me two of these little package right here. And remember I was telling you about e-lifestyle, and I won this box from Totally Dazzled, and I think I had this box for, like, I'm not exaggerating, about 3 months, and she could vouch for that. And I have not opened it yet. I don't even remember what I took, you know, ordered from this company for my gift. So we're about to open it right now and see what's inside of it. Oh yeah, they got this really taped together. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so let's start out with this one here. Oh, and one of them I do remember what I did picked up, and it was the bling. See, this is how it come. See, this is how it came, like that. Okay, and it got 2 bags in there. So this is the first one. I hope it's not hard to open. Oh no, very easy. Uh-oh, I think I talked too fast. Okay, and as I could see, I ordered a gold bling wrap, and this was one of my gifts. Okay, so that's the gold one, and then I got the silver one. Absolutely good. I mean, this is a big roll. I could see why everybody keeps saying it takes them a long time to finish their roll, especially if you're not a frequent DIYer. Oh, ooh, this is huge. See that? Definitely huge. Okay. And then in this one, they have like a, you know, some little paperwork, so they got a little crown right there. I guess that was one of my other gifts too. I know I didn't order that, but this is what they have in there. Okay, and let's see what's in this one. See, nice, beautiful package bag. Really, really like these bags. Okay. So it looks like a lot of little stuff. Ooh. I don't remember ordering nothing rose gold, but they got me some rose gold in here. Yeah, I don't remember doing anything rose gold, but I do have a napkin ring here, and it's absolutely nice though. It is nice. But I do have some rose gold stuff that I want to do a decor with later on, you know. So I guess that's why I got those. I don't know. I don't remember ordering those, but I see 6 of them. Okay, I see 6 of these beauty here. Yeah, it's a little like fragile, but it's, hey, listen, I want it and I'm gonna take it. And then these are some gold. These are really cute. Look at these. See, really, really cute. So these were my gift from E Lifestyle. So make sure y'all go and check out her channel, because she really do have some good contents on it. And she does do a lot of black and her color schemes are black and white. Now, oh, these are some, boy, you don't even remember what you order because it's been so long. These are some what you call these again, the little things that you put like the menu on, or the name, or I forgot what you call them, but this is what this look like. As a matter of fact, let me see if I could open one so y'all could see it. See that? So it's like the name tag, you know, that you put the name for the seed in. And I think this is actually cute. This is really cute. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I got 6 of these. Yep, I got 6 of these. Absolutely gorgeous. And then order these. I hope this is not something I could have been using. That. Okay, hold on a second. Okay. So these are, okay. And I got 6 of these. 2, 4, 6. Alright, let me open up one so y'all can see the beauty of it. And then I will get right into the Goodwill find, which shouldn't take long. And then I'm going to add this video to another video I have. And y'all going to see how sad I was on that video. Well, I wasn't that sad, but I was sad. So this is a napkin ring holder. And you see? It's cute, right? Yes, I got this one there too, and I got 6 of these. Yep, and I can't wait to use these. But you know what? I remember ordering like a Christmas or a fall napkin rings, but I don't see them. I think they made a mistake with this rose gold, but I'll take it. I'll keep it. Unless this was it. I don't know. I don't know. It must be this one. I'm not sure. But this don't remind me of Christmas. It just reminds me of whenever you feel like doing it. But whatever I got, I am grateful for it. And thank you so much for me from E Lifestyle. So I'm going to put a link up, you know, somewhere when I do the video, the editing and stuff, and show you her page. And then you could go on and, you know, see some of the beautiful decors that she does, you know. Okay, so now we're going to jump right into the Goodwill haul. Okay. So I got this at Goodwill. And when I saw it, I thought it, you know, I said red and white. I'm doing red and white. And got a little, you know, Santa or wherever right there. So that was, this was $3.98. And it's very, very huge. I wish I could find 2, but, you know, at the Goodwill, you hit, you miss. So I only got 1, because that's all they had. Okay? And then I saw these right here. And you know me, I'm a teal girl. And these were 99 cents. They only had 4. And I picked up all 4. It has a nice little detail right here. So when I'm finished this, I'm, well, not tonight, but tomorrow, I'm gonna, wash them up and get them ready. Now these, I cannot seem to find, where these came from. These are actually from the Dollar Tree, but I got them at the Goodwill, and they were the same price as the Dollar Tree, which was 99 cents. So, it's not the Goodwill, but I just call all of them Goodwill. This is just a local thrift store in my neighborhood. Okay? And so I got 4 of these, because I've been looking for them in the Dollar Tree and I can't find them, because I wanted to do like a, like a paint in the back of this to bring out some of my decors that I'm doing, especially if I don't have the colors, And then I got these ones, and these were six in a pack for $5.99. Yeah, 6 in a pack for $5.99. See, it got some really nice details on this. I only got it because it was like in the red burgundy family, and I'm going to do something for Christmas. And if I just take some time and go upstairs or downstairs, I will find a lot of stuff that is red, but I don't know. But now I found these napkin rings, and they were only $1.99, and it's actually 6 of them in this pack. At first I thought it was 4, but it's actually 6. See that? Yeah, and I could maybe add one of my little flowers on the top and make it a fantastic napkins. Yeah, I could tell I'm getting tired, because I don't even remember what I'm trying to say or show or anything. But I'm going to go upstairs and at least put up one of these videos before I go to sleep. I'll tell you that much. And the last but not least, I found these at the Goodwill. And they are 2 sets of 4. 2 sets of 4. And they were $2.99. $2.99, and they are definitely, I would say a Christmas napkins, and they look like they 20 by 20. They are super huge. Yeah, so at least I found this. Hopefully I could find some white ones this color. Not this color, a white one this size, so I could put them together. Okay, so that brings me to the end of this haul, which I need to be at the end of this haul because I am literally, my eyes are burning, I'm tired, so I just want to finish it up. Okay, so love all my new subscribers. Thank you for coming on. All my ride and die, thank you for still sticking with me. And don't forget to press that notification bell so you can see my notifications and see these videos as soon as I put them up. So I was gonna do the table right now, but I think I'm gonna do that tomorrow because I am ready to go lay down. Okay, so love, and this one I told you I'm gonna add it to another video, and then you will see what I done broke. Most likely, yeah, I'm gonna put this video up first and then put this one, the other one, up second. Okay, I am so tired. Bye. Love you all so much. This video was longer than I thought, so I will not add the other video to it. I will do it separately. Love.